Count your blessings. Name them one by one. You'll be surprised what the Lord has done. How many have escaped danger this year? To keep danger far away, thank God for it. To keep it far away from your house, thank God for it. Are people here reflect right now of the goodness of the Lord all through the course of 2024? Are you truly reflecting? Let there be no issue of complaint in your heart today, nor till the end of the year. It will open up your next year. Intense, deliberate, genuine thanksgiving opens up new chapters.